Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a Sprechen section from Goethe A2 exam. I will share one screen with you and we'll try to solve it to do that A2 section. So how the question comes or the task is there that we are going to see here. Yeah. Now this is the A2 level Sprechen section. Goethe exam. So, sprechen meaning speaking, and circa 15 Minuten. It is approximately for 15 minutes für zwei Teilnehmende, meaning for two candidates. It is approximately for 15 minutes. Now, diese Prüfungsteil hat drei Teile. Now, this question paper has three tiles or parts. Sie stellen Ihrem partner, Ihrem partnerin. Now you have to, this is a partner based activity. And here you have to, in first style, you have to ask question to your partner and vice versa. He or she will ask you questions and you have to answer them. Sie erzählen etwas über sich und ihr Leben. In second tile or second part, you will have to explain about yourself and your life. Then the third one is Sie planen etwas mit Ihrem Partner, Ihrer Partnerin. Now in this tile, third tile, you will have to plan an activity or something you have to plan with your partner. Wörterbücher und Mobiltelefone sind nicht erlaubt, meaning dictionaries and mobile phones are not allowed in the real exam. This is the rule. Now we'll see one by one all tiles. Now in first tile, Sie bekommen 4 Karten und stellen mit diesen Karten 4 Fragen. Now here, if you see, I'll just scroll it, there you will get 4 cards basically. Okay, and on that based on those cards you will have to question your partner and vice versa. Your partner will also ask you questions based on these 4 cards. So here Geburtstag meaning birthday, then Wohnort is your residence place, Beruf is profession, and hobby is hobby. So, your partner will ask you about your birthday, your residence place, then profession, hobby, and vice versa. You will have to ask your partner the same questions, and he or she will answer, and vice versa. You will also answer to them. Okay, this is the first type or first part you can see. Now we'll see second part. This is child 2. Ja, sie bekommen eine Karte und erzählen etwas über ihr Leben Prüfungsteilnehmer in A. Meaning, this is actually, there are two candidates, right? Candidate A and candidate B. So for candidate A, this card or sheet he or she will get. Or if you are candidate A, you will get in this card, there is one question. If you see in the center, was machen Sie mit Ihrem Geld? What do you do with your money? Okay, this is the question. And 4 points they have given. Kleidung is clothes. Then Lebensmittel is grocery. Then Sparen is saving. And Reisen is travel. So how much money you spend on clothes or grocery or savings or your travel. So these are the 4 points given to you. Based on this, you will have to tell them. Okay. Now, the same kind of sheet or card candidate B will get. Prüfungsnehmer in B, meaning this is for candidate B. Now here the question is different. Okay, basically the theme is same. You will have to explain yourself and your life. But here the question on that card will be different. Okay, was machen Sie oft am Wochenende? If you see In the center, there is a question that what do you do? What do you do very often on the weekends? Okay, this is the question. Now there are again 4 points: sport, then jemanden besuchen, mit wem, and wo. Meaning any sports you play on the weekend, or you visit someone, jemanden besuchen, mit wem, okay, with whom do you spend your weekend, and wo, where. Okay, so these are the basically points, right? On this basis you will have to answer this question. So either you will get that card 1 for candidate A, and for candidate B, if you are candidate B, you will get card 2, right? So this is all about tile 2 or part 2. Now we'll see tile 3. Hier von Patrick hat Geburtstag. Sie möchten ein Geschenk für ihn kaufen. Your friend Patrick has his birthday, and you want to buy some gift for him. Finden Sie einen Termin. Actually, Termin meaning appointment. But here, some calendar is given to you. Okay. So this is called as appointment calendar, if you see. So in this, some already they have given some activities. You can say, lange schlafen, you sleep for long, till 10 o'clock, then Frühstück by Mario, okay, breakfast with Mario, then Fahrrad abholen, meaning picking your bike, Eltern anrufen, meaning calling your parents, Fußball training, something is there for football training, and Fußball Länderspiel in im Fernsehen, meaning watching some international football matches on TV. So this is actually on 17th May, Samstag, 17. Mai. On Saturday, this is your appointment calendar. In this, you will have to uh, fetch something for that shopping for this thing, for your friend's gift. Okay. Now, there is for candidate B, there is one more card is given, or appointment calendar, you can say. And same thing is there. Your friend Patrick had Geburtstag, he has his birthday, and you want to buy a gift for him. So, Finnen, termin meaning actually speaking, it is appointment, but you can say here that some time you have to fetch from this calendar. Okay, take out from this calendar. This is appointment calendar. Now here also for me talks, Rosa Coop, meaning here you have to buy something. Okay, morning shopping. Then Frazier, meaning going to the barber. Harish Naidan, meaning cutting your hairs. Then Essen by Stefan, your meal with your friend Stefan. Then Schwimmen, you go for swimming. Mit dem Hund nach draußen, going out with your dog. Arena Kino, going to Arena Cinema. So this is again one more calendar is there. So you will have to fetch one common time to buy your friend's gift or gift for your friend's birthday. Okay. So this is actually this is a planned activity. You will have to plan with your other partner, okay, candidate B, or suppose you are candidate B, you have to plan with candidate A, right? So this is style 3. So this is all about, you can say, expression section, speaking, and this is A2, and yeah, this is Schreiben, and this is expression. So we have seen expression section today, and what are the 3 tiles and how to do for it, or how to prepare for it, that we have seen it here. I hope this is clear with you. So if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.